Hey guys, Bing here. Today I'm going to talk about an idea about using the material cut pattern for insulation. Okay, so I'll quickly show you this idea, and yeah, maybe you can tell me whether you think it's good or bad. Okay, so let's start. So first, WA, let's create some wall. Okay, so and then I'll change this detail to medium so we can see the detail of the wall. So that's timber stud wall, and I'm going to model some internal stud wall as well. So for example, we have two here, and now I'm going to maybe place the roof on the top, maybe overhang for 50. Okay, attach, yes, okay. And also I'll place some seating, so maybe 27 high seating, 1, 2, 3, and maybe I'll also place a roof. Okay, so finished. Now let's have a look in 3D view. So this is our little house. I'll maybe detach this internal wall and just change the height to 27. Okay, so HR. Now we have this little house. Go to floor plan, and I'm going to cut a section. Before that, I'm going to place another two wall here. Okay, so section here we have one section here. I'm going to cut it here and go to this view. So change the scale to 1 to 50 and change the detail to medium. So now we're going to model. Imagine this is a section drawing, and usually we need to add some detail into this in this view, and one of the detail is the insulation. So for example, this wall, brick veneer wall, so we will need to go annotate insulation and draw it in it. Let me just change the height of this level. Okay, so then yeah, you need to manually. So for example, if you have insulation in this wall as well, so you just need to go insulate, draw this line. Okay, so another one. So sometimes it's all different, because so sometimes you will have a door somewhere, right? And in go back section, you need to adjust the insulation depending on what's in the wall, and so it's quite a lot of manual work. Okay, so what I am thinking is maybe we don't do this. So isolate and select all the line, delete, go back to HR. So maybe we can just use some fill pattern. So because so this wall, let's go edit type. Okay, so edit structure. So the structure here, 90 mil stud, is this one, timber. Okay, so if I go to the material, so actually what I can do is I'll just duplicate this material and I'll create a new material called timber stud insulated. And here I'll give it a pattern. So maybe this one. Okay, and yeah, you can change the color. I'll maybe just use this one, and okay. So now if I click OK, you will see all these the timber stud in this brick veneer wall will show this pattern. So this one, right? And same this 90 mil stud wall. I can. So if imagine we still need some start wall without insulation. So I'm going to just duplicate the wall type. So I'll call it start timber. Now it is insulated, and then I'll change the material to this one, and OK, and OK, and OK. So now as you can see, this one show this pattern. Okay, if you want to insulate this wall as well, you can just change the wall type. So I think this is easier. I think this is easier because a lot of time. So I'll quickly show you. So I'll WT. Sometimes we need to, for example, I move this door, and you will notice that if that's in line, means you need to adjust this line to match. So because now you are not cutting the door, so I'll just move this door to here so you can clearly see. And if I cutting the door, and then you will need to adjust the insulation. So every time, so it will change. A lot of time you need to go back to adjust the insulation line if you are using this. But if you're using the view pattern, you don't need to. Okay, so once again, this one, if I go there, so yeah. So if I'll just create another door here, so you will see that door. I'll move it to cut the door, yeah. And if I use this insulation, so I'll draw it here, and then once you, for example, you move the door, and then you need to adjust this. So what do you think? Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.